Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Venera Collections. Today we are going to see how to make a base for polymer clay bangles. For that we need some scrap clay. You can use fresh clay as well, but this is one use for scrap clay. Condition the clay very well and extrude it through the semicircle disc of the extruder. This one is a walnut hollow extruder. There are multiple ones available in the market. You can choose one of your choice. I have a measurement for the bangle. If you don't have one measurement, you can check the size chart for bracelets online. Keep little extra before trimming. Now we need something to bake it. We can choose glass jar, soda can, or cookie cutters, something. I got one soda can that suits the size of the measurement bangle. And after making bangle, we will back it with another layer. So if we take the exact same measure, the bangle will be little small. For that, I wrap the can with a layer of foil paper, so it will give some space for. Make this joint strong, we have to use bacon bond. It acts as a strong glue. Little bit of bacon bond will do the job. You can clearly see how much I am using it. Just press together gently and don't deform it. And you can use a silicone tip tool to smooth the joint. It's a very important step. Now you can set the oven for preheating. As I am using Primo clay, I preheated to 75 Fahrenheit and curing it for 45 to 60 minutes. So the baking process is done. Let's open the oven and see it is cooled down. Okay. See, the base is ready. The edges are not very even. This one we can file it off. You can use sandpaper also. Once the uneven edges are cleared, rinse it very well, pat it dry, and you can use this base for your bangles. Whatever you want, textured veneer or keys or silk screen, it's your choice. Usually I will make a bunch of them all together as it saves time and energy. I hope it was an helpful tutorial. If you are not subscribed me yet, please subscribe, like and comment, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Until then, bye bye.